We're here at Seed! Today, Hugo takes you inside Seed's Shenzhen office. From UN/ITU awards to industry trophies, Seed's Wall of Fame. Here you can see some of Seed's featured devices and solutions on display. This camera counts how many people walk by, a good example of Seed's smart IoT applications. This is a lineup of Seed's dev boards over the years. Next, we're heading up to Seed's Rooftop Garden. This is where 2 adopted office cats keep everyone company. Here is their weather station system, which is actually built with Seed's own hardware. They don't just sell these products, they also use them themselves here to collect real data. Seed uses its own products in real environments to test and improve them. This wall shows a snapshot of the Seed ecosystem. Clubs, trips, meetups, capturing the culture behind the hardware. This is Seed's 2025 product timeline. Product journey from idea to launch, month by month. And of course, there are tons of event posters. Then we head into another working area, where we can get much closer to some of Seed's products. For hardware lovers, this is the perfect spot to feast your eyes on boards, modules, and prototypes up close. If you're a maker, this part is real eye candy. A heartfelt thank you to Seed Studio for the warm welcome at their Shenzhen headquarters and the swift support that made our visit possible. It was inspiring to see how their open hardware, AI, and IoT innovations come to life, and we truly value the close cooperation and responsive tech support that keep our ideas moving. We're thrilled to keep building with Seed and look forward to more joint projects and future visits together. Open E11 Seed Studio, let's grow together.